Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing on a very important topic in AEM, and that is called dispatcher. So in every interview, AEM dispatcher is asked because again it plays a very crucial role whenever we talk about the functionality. So this AEM dispatcher has a very important role in terms of optimization, in terms of performance, in terms of caching, in terms of security, in terms of proxy. So you can see it is a web server module that helps to optimize the performance, and again it also acts as a load balancer. So configuration and proper configuration of dispatcher is very important to give a seamless flow, to give a fast response time for the website. So dispatcher is a web server module from Adobe to enable caching and load balancing for the AEM website. So whatever AEM website we are creating, it acts as a load balancer also, and again all the frequently accessed pages, instead of fetching directly from the website, it has from the publish environment, it stores those frequently accessed cache files, and then all the requests, if those files are present in dispatcher module or dispatcher, it serves those files from the dispatcher instead of going to the publish environment and fetching that. So again, one round trip is saved, and as soon as the number of pages increases, next time when user wants to access that page, it is very fast because most of the pages are now being served through your dispatcher module. Main purpose of dispatcher is caching as much of the site content to speed up the site load. So for every website, it's very important that the loading time should be very fast. So it plays a very crucial role because at first the cache will be blank. Now as the user starts accessing the pages, all those pages will start adding in the dispatcher cache, and then the speed, the performance, the experience of the user starts increasing as they are frequently accessing those pages, because those are all stored in dispatcher module. Helps to protect your AEM server from attacks by enabling the required security filter rules. Now everything should go from the dispatcher. So if some security rule needs to be updated, some new security rule needs to be added, it is easily added from the dispatcher module. Reverse proxy to AEM server. So if dynamic content from publisher when required, so if you want to access dynamic content, so those cannot be stored in cache because dynamic content, it is basically based upon the conditions, so that can be done using reverse proxy. Load balancing to backend AEM servers as we just discussed, and then high performance and high availability static website. In case of static website, it's very important if dispatcher is configured properly, because then the loading speed, the optimization, everything is taken care by dispatcher. For dynamic content, we have this reverse proxy. Then we have also cache invalidation. If the static page that is available in the cache, and there is a difference on the actual page, then this cache invalidation step comes, and then you invalidate that page, and then you again add a new page. So basically this is all about dispatcher module, and configuring it properly in AEM, it's very important to make sure that your dispatcher works properly, your website loads properly, it is optimized, and in terms of performance, it is working fine. So this was all about dispatcher module, introduction to dispatcher in AEM. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.